if you can give us a little more information on what life is like here. One of the things that I'm curious about, I know you spoke to your friend and gave some information on camera.
Trevor?
Yeah, and was anybody else involved in that besides the three of you?
No.
Was anybody coaching you to say any of that? You were...
that was us.
No, that was all us. We actually asked Trevor too.
Yeah. Were you scared about what might happen?
No. I'm ready to go home. I'll do it.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
This here, we have zero privacy. I'm talking zero privacy. They took the locks off it. All right, so got the locks in all of the houses.
So you're not trusted?
No, not
at
at
all.
Not at all. And
So can you tell me again about the camp that you went to?
it's a camp for people that didn't quite make it, like not didn't make it to the next grade, but like people that don't fit in socially and stuff like that.
So do you guys feel like you need that kind
No,
of...
not at all. My dad did it as a joke.
Okay.
Yeah, it was terrible. We asked him to not let us go, but
there was a bunch
he
of
made
country
us
music
go.
stars here at the time, and he'd been
Okay.
telling us that we're gonna be able to do this whole summer, all this, all of that, and then he says this camp as a joke.
What country music stars are here, do you know?
Buddy Owens, Jeremy, I think it's Campbell, I think.
Okay.
John Osborne.
Do you
Lucy
see any
Osborne.
other celebrities while you're here? Other parties or people that you can talk to? Any
No,
other
they
kids
don't.
your
They're
age?
all on my dad's side about everything because
Right,
he
but-
pays them.
Who does he pay?
All the music stars for being here.
Oh,
He
really?
pays for their flight, all their meals, everything.
To come visit them. Wow. What about, were you have you been in school here before?
No.
So you don't know kids at the school?
I do. And I wanted to do the interview there because it would be 100 times easier, but then my dad won't let us go.
Won't let you go to the school?
No,
won't
to
let
the
us go
kid's
to
house.
the kid's house.
He won't
Oh.
let us do anything. It's like being in prison.
Yeah, I mean, like, we don't do anything at all.
What do you think he's afraid of?
Nothing. He's just,
Controlling.
he just likes to control stuff, and if he can't control it, then he fights for it to control.
Has he ever said why you can't visit with
No,
other
he's,
kids?
no
no, he
reason.
just likes to
Just
control
no.
people and tell them what to do. And he busted open my lip because he was fighting for my phone.
Hmm. Let's see. What about counseling? Are there any?
Yeah, we went to
they,
counseling
They forced us to
twice.
go to that.
I don't know if
We
it's
didn't talk,
court
though.
ordered, but we didn't talk at
He
all.
said it was court ordered, but we
So
didn't answer
that would have
any
been somebody
questions.
visiting from
No.
Georgia or somebody
here.
here that you were seeing. Do you remember that person's name?
No.
No, she's a blonde lady though, and then he has
I
a.
have an old lady.
Okay, so two different counselors, but you didn't feel like you could open up?
No. I didn't want to talk to him because
Me
everybody
neither.
that
Everybody
associates with them is all bought off or something because they never ever listen
Yeah,
to
like
us.
this girl named Jess. My dad gets people to get our trust and then go report back to them. The girl named Jess, who's creeping on us right now, and she's probably going to come out soon, is she pretty much made me talk to her,
Yeah.
and then went upstairs and told my dad everything.
What about I've gotten from the video and listening to you talk that you feel like you're trapped, you don't have anywhere to turn, you don't want to be here. Do you feel like you're here against your will?
Yes, 100%.
And what about law enforcement, police? Have you thought about talking to the police?
Yeah,
We already talked to
my dad is
Alright.
my dad is a really smooth person. Like when you first meet him, he's a really smooth guy. Ask anybody.
Flashes his
So
money,
he flashes his money
watches.
out, and he went out there and talks to the people, and then somehow they're back on their side.
So what happened when you talked to the police? Can you give me specifics?
Well, we
Well,
talked to what-
Let's do one at a time.
We talked to what is it called? The
defects. I
defects. We
think.
talked to them, and they went out and talked to them first. And then when I went out there, they were 100% on their side. They
Is
said
there-
you're wrong. They kept saying,
Is
telling
that
me I'm
defects
wrong.
in Georgia or
No,
here?
defects here.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. How did you get to defects? Did you call defects
No.
here?
Well, I ran away.
Okay. And who found you?
I had a
came
phone,
back.
and
He
I
came
said
back.
that I came back so I could talk to defects and stuff. but they were 100% on their side.
So you were...
No, I didn't call them.
Somebody else did.
Yeah, my mom.
Okay, that's right. She found out that you had
Run away. Yeah, I told her.
and called DFACS, and so DFACS decided there was no risk for you, that there was...
Yeah,
Do you remember what
because-
DFACS said about you?
No,
they just pretty much told us that we were wrong.
about
Okay.
everything.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I mean, I don't.
Do you remember any names from anybody
No.
at DFACS? Okay.
Yeah, they didn't protect us
they
here
didn't
at all.
protect us at
Okay.
all. My
All right.
my lip was obviously busted open.
Okay.
And she goes, "No, I don't see anything. No." And she took a picture of the wrong side of my lip.
All right. Well, when we're off camera, we'll talk more about that.
And my dad took our phone like a really long time ago, and what he said that there was an email sent by the judge.
But really, it was sent by Taylor Drake. We found that out later.
Yeah.
That Taylor Drake made an email and sent it to my dad to trick us out and make it look like it was from the judge.
And he said that
Well,
if
even
we
that-
disobey him at all,
Then
that
we'll-
we'll be sent to juvie, and we'll have to wear these
Jumpsuits and pick up the
jumpsuits and pick up
trash on the side of the road.
road.
And then we later found out when we asked the guardian ad litem that she had no idea about that, and then the
But
judge
she's on
didn't
their
send
side
anything.
100%.
Yeah, even though she was on their side, she must have not
So,
known.
did you feel like when this was being told to you about... If
You
you
might have to hurry.
Okay. If you talk, you go to juvie. Did you feel like that was a threat?
Yeah, it was a threat. My
And-
dad's trying to scare us,
Yeah, if we like,
saying that there's a 100% chance that we would go to a foster care. 100% chance.
So, all right. So we'll address that later. I don't want you to worry. Okay. You don't worry. Everything's going to be okay. Close your eyes and feel like your mother's hugging you, because that's what she wants to do.
I forgot what she...
I work with both mothers and fathers.
but wait, and then, go back to that email. Like, it scared us really bad. It was if we ran away, if we talked to our mom. If we talked to our mom again, they said that we were going to be sent to juvie and have to pick up trash and mow the lawn in front of the courthouse in a yellow jumpsuit.
And they lied to
That's
us.
what it actually said. And my dad told me that it was from the judge.
It wasn't. Also, we get like
Do you remember
stalked.
Do you remember the date of that letter?
No,
No.
we were in Minnesota. That's all I know.
Like
Okay.
we get like
And that.
And I was using the bathroom, and my dad barged in and just stole my phone.
Is there anywhere that you can get on the internet, even if somebody's around you?
We can get on YouTube every once in a while, but we have to. Somebody has to be standing behind us.
here. What do we do about
I hate it here. I don't know how much
Yeah,
longer I
it's
can be
What
here.
we can, but on that website, you can, if you go to the website and click on the YouTube icon and Facebook, you can go to the YouTube videos and learn more about what we're doing to help other kids.
I
So
will- Can you please get me back? I
Yeah,
can't. I hate it
please.
here so
It's
much.
horrible here.
All right. And if everything were to get back to normal, where you're with your mother and things were done with your dad to help him get better around alcohol and how he treats you, would you still be able to have a relationship with him
I
at
wouldn't
some
want
point?
to.
No, I don't.
I wouldn't want to. He was a
never
liar.
will.
He's a bad. He's a bad person. I wouldn't want to.
So you don't think there's any chance to rehab him?
No. He doesn't. He's a alcoholic, but he won't admit it. And I just wouldn't want to have anything to do with
I
him.
don't want to have it.
All right, so you understand I'm not against your father.
Yeah, we understand this.
we're
You're just trying to get facts.
Okay, yes. All right, thank you guys.
All right, is
you
that
so
all you
much.
need? Because any more questions? Because I really do want to
Yeah,
go back
we do.
home.
Yeah, let's go. We'll get you out of here and we're going to go get to work.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.